Epson Rapid Receipt RR60 Receipt and Document Scanner. So what comes with the scanner in the box? Like you get the USB cable, you also get a manual, and you get the scanner, and the last thing is maintenance sheet. That means like calibration sheet. So you can see this is the USB scanner. I'm just going to open the box. So it comes with the USB cable, a manual, and the scanner itself is here. So that's how it looks. So that's the Epson scanner RR60. Let's talk about the specifications of this scanner. Now this is the smallest and lightest mobile single sheet fed document scanner. So it's not heavy, it's very lightweight. It comes with the receipt management software. So as it is written here, includes the receipt management software and no subscription required. You don't have to pay for that. It can export data to third-party softwares, like you can send it to the QuickBooks, Quicken, TurboTax, Excel, CSV and more. So wherever you want, you can just send it. It can create editable and searchable PDFs. So if you want to create a PDF where you can edit, you can search, you can just create with it. It can do the single page scanning as fast as 5.5 seconds. It can scan the large paper like 8.5 into 72 inch. So width is 8.5 but the length will be 72 inch. So that's quite long. And automatic feeding mode, that means whenever you insert a page, it will hold it. It will catch it and it's ready to scan. Let's talk about the DPI. So DPI is like mechanical resolution is up to 600, whereas the maximum optical resolution is 1200. So that's all about the scanner. Only thing is it is a USB scanner, and whenever you want you can use it, just plug it in with the wire. So it's easy to carry, it's small and very light. Thanks for watching.